Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have an outlet 2008 Johnny Pag Spyder 300. This 300cc chopper is an outlet motorcycle and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you today. This bike is all stock. What you see is the way it comes. Tires are in decent shape. Really haven't found any type of tip over or lay down damage on it, but I did find a couple of imperfections. One of them's here. We've got some chipping along the rear fender. The rear tire as well, decent shape. The other thing I found on it is a blemish here on the seat. I don't know, almost looks like a burn mark. Cigarette, fire ember, who knows. $45.27 is what's on it. This 2008 Johnny Pag Spyder will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.